What's up guys, it's Caleb at JTech, and today I'm going to go over how to crimp a hose when you're doing hydraulics. So we have a 3/8 hose, and we're using a 6. And what you're going to do, since we're using a 6 on the chart here, go down to 6. You're going to want this to be at 695, roughly, at least around there. And then we're using on here it says 732 die, which is this one, to crimp the hose. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it through, have just a little bit poking out, that way it's not completely crushed, because you don't want that. Then you take the cup, slide it over. It doesn't want to stay. There we go. Leave a little bit of room at the top. What you're going to do is you're going to slide it in underneath the crusher, like so. Add the button. And it'll stop. It'll leave itself back up. Slide it back out. Take the cup off. Pull it out. And afterwards you're going to take the dial, and it has to be at 0.93. So we're going to check.